we have subtracting of integers. In the first example, we have 17 minus 2. So 17 minus 2 is just 15. From a greater number, we subtract smaller, we can do this. Next example, we have 16 minus negative 16. Again, two negative signs. We have to memorize two negative signs build one positive. It's like negative sign times negative give you always positive. Memorize. So negative and negative give me positive, so we can rewrite that this is 16 plus 16, so this is 32. The last example, negative 4, we have to rewrite, and again negative times negative we have. So two negative signs give me positive, so we have plus 7, so this is equal. And now we have addition of two integers with different signs. First is negative, second is positive. First we check the number which is greater. 7 is greater than 4. Before 7 we have positive sign, so we copy positive sign, and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. So this is equal, positive sign we copy, 7 minus 4 is 3. Positive 3, we don't have to write positive sign, just 3. So negative 4 minus negative 7 is 3. Memorize, negative and negative give you always positive.